Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on customization here, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, then all you have to do now. So you just come here to show message call cards on call log screen, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here show message call cards on call log screen enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.